Good morning, Wolfpack. How's everybody doing this morning? How is everybody? Let's make sure everything's good. Sounds good. Everything's good. Make sure that's turned off. So good morning, everybody. Let's see what's... My throat's hurting again. I think I'm getting sick again. Let's have a look at pre-market here. Sorry about that, guys. My throat. What I did was take a big sip of coffee and I forgot it was hot when I went to take the dog out, and I burnt my throat bad. Wow. Yeah, it's probably one of the worst burns I've ever done on my throat before. I didn't know what to do. Spit it out or swallow it. So natural reaction is swallow. So anyways, guys, how's everybody doing this morning? I'll go through the chat here. I've already pasted all my links and stuff, so we're good. We're already good right there. I was doing that this morning and the dog started scratching at the door. Of course he did. Of course Finnegan did. Okay, we'll start at the top here, and we still, well, at least we got in here before market opened. Okay. Right, and Christopher's always the first one. Good morning, Christopher J. Proud. Alfred. Sanjay. Helena. Mr. L. Leon the Lion, how you doing, buddy? Warren, how you doing? Kim, how you doing? Future Whale, hey, long time no see, buddy. Long time no see. So you take off for, what was it, probably about 3 months since we've seen you, eh? And nothing's changed. The prices are even the same. Oh man, here's what it is. So hopefully everybody's in a good mood this morning. I am. I'm in a decent mood this morning. Except my throat. Wow. Okay, everything's good here. Got 3 minutes before market opens. I'm just gonna have a look at our stock screener here and see what is. I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. Wow. Crazy. Crypto's having a little bit of a pull. A little bit. Dogecoin? No, Dogecoin's not even doing nothing, eh? What about Cardano? Yeah, it's up 3.70% this morning. That's not bad. That's not bad. I know a couple of you, I got some messages on emails. I know a couple, well, more than a couple, I think probably a good handful of you bought a whack of ADA, Cardano. I was getting asked some questions. And I usually don't put a buy signal out there. You know how I am. I'm always like, it's not financial advice, entertainment only, but I'm really confident in that. It is what it is. Custom car wraps and signs. Welcome to the channel, my friend. Unless you've been here before, I haven't seen you on the chat bar, but good morning anyways. Good morning, Richard, Raphael. The Mexican boss is here. Jerry, good morning. And I think I've already gone through the rest. Car wraps. Yeah, those things are cool, eh? Those car wraps. Some of the new plastics and stuff and vinyls that they have out there nowadays. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of money in that stuff, guys. Like putting it on, like if you can get a shop and stuff. So anyways, I'm a newbie. Well, so am I. So am I with the way the stock market's been going right now, right? With AMC and stuff. I'm just joking around, but welcome to the channel, my friend. Make yourself at home, right? There's a good group of we call ourselves wolves here. We ain't no apes, man. We're the wolf pack, so make yourself at home. I'm pretty sure you're going to get a welcome. Here they come in. I was just going to say you're going to probably get a whack of welcomes. Really friendly channel. Really protected channel. Everybody's kind of knows everybody. So I'll start off. I'll break some ice there. I'm just going to call... since your name is so... I'm gonna call you Designs. I'm gonna call because I'm gonna call you Custom. Okay, that's your handle, bro. Just because we got 3,000 plus people, almost 4,000 people on this channel now. Are you cool with that? Just because that's a mouthful, my friend. Felix, good morning. Joshua, good morning. Morels, good morning. Wow. The group is almost all here. Okay. What is going on here? Sorry, guys. My computer's a little bit behind here. It literally took almost 10 seconds for that computer to figure out what it was doing. Oh, I know why. I'm downloading a game that... Yeah, that's why. That's why. I love it. Custom. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Right on. Cool. So, my friend, I'm not going to put you on the spot too much there, but I do need to know a gist, and I'm pretty sure everybody else is... dying to ask too. Good morning, JP. Or what's you don't have to list all the stocks. Or are you in on AMC, GME? Are you waiting for a squeeze? Just give me a gist. I don't need to know how many stocks you own. That's all private information. That's up to you. I'm in on AMC mostly. I own about 1,000 shares. Been in since pretty much the beginning was like November, December. I'm in since January, so some people call that the beginning. Two hells, nice. Oh yeah, I know. I double clicked the button. I got itchy trigger fingers. So anyway, Jason, good morning, man. Good morning. Oh shit, did I write you that email? Did I send you an email? Yeah, I did. I did send you an email. Okay, I did. Because I want to make sure I got to everybody. Everybody was... well, not every... I shouldn't say everybody. There's a couple people that I just wanted to discuss some stuff this morning. Now market's open. We're just going to wait for these stocks to stabilize a bit here. And... ISPC is halted already this morning. Oh. Well, I would say so too. That is what it... Yep, that would halt it. That would definitely halt it first thing in the morning. Yep, it would. Especially on a down pull, and then it cranks up the algorithm's vibrations to the moon. That'll be halted for about 10-15 minutes. Guys, if you I know I put a video out there on those two stocks, Prog and iSpecimen Inc. But it's halted right now. It's probably going to have a little bit of a rip today. If you're going to, like I said, I'm always on your guys' side in best interest. Just remember to exit your positions at least 2 hours before the stock market closes, if you're going to play around with that today. And if it was me, it's halted right now for a volatility halt on up algorithm. So what I would do right now is, now if I was going to go play in that today, which I don't know, I will one day, guys. I just don't have time to mess with that thing. But anyways, now that it's halted, now's a perfect time to get, if you're going to do it, get all your apps and just get ready to fucking buy in, right? This is actually, halting on the way up sucks. It just bites, right? Because it's cutting into your profits. But when it kicks the breaker, first thing in the morning like this, like, what is it? 1, 2, literally, here we go, 1 minute. Yeah, 3 minutes in. So 3 candlesticks roughly. It kicks it. So yeah, there's a lot of people going to start buying in here right now. So this probably thing is going to rip. Yeah, who knows how much. Anyways, I'll put AMC back on. I just wanted to go on that and discuss that because some people are wanting to get into some positions and make some money. I did put a video on that, saying that it's a bad play and stuff like that. That's just the overall, okay? There's ways of nibbling to make money on stuff like that. You just got to pay attention what the hell you're doing, that's all. When I put that video out, I meant, when I talked about it, I meant holding your positions overnight and stuff, like having it as a play, right, is very dangerous. Well, if you have lots of money and you don't care, right? It's up to you. It's up to you. You probably have better luck on the slot machine at that point. So, okay, I'm going to go through the stocks here, and then I'm going to go... Hi, Michael. Good morning. Whoa, these guys caught me up my eye here. What the hell? Jeremy. No soap dish. It burns when you... What the heck are you guys talking about? I don't know. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. I can't even... Oh, I know what you guys are talking about. I caught the bottom of that conversation. I'm like, what the heck are you guys doing now on there? Okay, so I'm going to go through these stocks here. Tesla is at $1,168, 2% pretty much in the green. Ethereum ETH, Ethereum coin, is 4,762, 2.85 in the green. Prog is $3.19, 1.76 in the green. Bitcoin, BTC ticker symbol, is $58,465. It's 2.67 in the green. Dogecoin is 21 cents, and it is 0.41 in the green. Cardano, ticker symbol ADA, is $1.60, right on the nose. It's 3.45 in the green. Okay, I don't know why we have this. So, oh, I know why we had that on there, because that was a pump once a couple weeks ago. Okay, GME, ticker symbol GME, GameStop, is 197. It's 0.84 in the green. AMC, Entertainment Holdings, is $34.45. It is 1.47 in the green. Naked Brand is 61 cents. It is 0.18 in the red. And then ticker symbol LAC, which is Lithium America, is $50.40. It's 3.47 in the red. Okie dokie. Oh, Sheepcoin is 2.59 in the red. And it is 46. 6 zeros past behind the decimal, and it's 46. Suncor Energy, ticker symbol SU, is $31.12. It's 2.60 in the red for the percentage. Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL, is 61 cents. It's 1.10 in the red, and that would be the percentage. BlackBerry is $9.56. It is 0.42 in the green for percentage. And there we go, guys. Did you want me to cover any other stocks right now? Oh, ISPC just unlocked its halt. That was a short halt. Has it been 10 minutes? Oh yeah, it has been 10 minutes. Yeah, pretty much. So, yeah, that kind of settled it down a little bit. Okay. Okay. Good morning, David. Work my way up there. Michelle, good morning. How you doing this morning? Oh, I forgot to ask you, whereabouts are you from? I was wondering the other day, and then you jumped off. I was going to ask you, but I'm from Vancouver, Canada. We got people all over the world on here. I'm just curious. Just curious. If I missed anybody, sorry for that. I'm just going to back up to Jeremy. I did miss you. Good morning, brother. Raphael, good morning, brother. T, good morning. Excuse me. Good morning, T. Good morning, T. Hey, T, did you look at, Citizen, did you look at ticker symbol ADA? I don't know if you, we were talking about that the other day. I'm not going to mention what it was about because that's personal information, but look what it's up to right now, my friend. That's up to you if you want to talk about that. I just wanted to put that to your attention. Okay, guys. Okie dokie. Oh. Steve G, good morning, brother. Jamal, good morning. It's hard to see him getting a side glare with these glasses on. Getting the red from the candlesticks is reflecting in my glasses, and it's messing me up. Not yet? That's all good, brother. It's all good. It's all good. I'm feeling anxious this morning. I feel like swing trading this morning. I feel like paper hand in the shit or something. Oh, fuck. What is it, Wednesday today? Wednesday and Thursday. 3 days. 2 days to play around with it. Just going to pull my the stock screener up here for the world to see what's going on here. I just want to see what the market is at across the world. Okay, we're doing not bad. Things are looking not bad. Dow Jones is up a bit. NASDAQ is up. S&P 500's up. Wow. Gas is electrical, gas, housing. Pretty much everything's green across the board. Inflation. Paper products, everything. That's good. It's not up high, but it's good. That's good. We just have one. Shanghai. Shanghai is Shenzhen. I never can say that. That's where my Android boxes come from. I can't pronounce it. Fuck. Idiot. I'm an idiot sometimes. Do you know what happens? My Canadian accent messes with me on some shit. So anyways, I just wanted to send fuck, I can't say it. I'm gonna shut up. But yeah, that's where my Android boxes, I order them from. There's factories there that make that shit for you. Anything. They make anything there if you want to order it. I wouldn't recommend ordering stuff right now though with all their stuff going on. Okie dokie dokie dokie. I said I was talking about ISPC. I know I keep on reverting back to that. That halt fucked up the algorithm bad on that. So if it was me, I'd stay the hell out of that, even for playing on the day here. Really can't see it going too crazy. Damn, BlackBerry's so cheap. Fuck it. I think that's a cheap. I gotta look at BlackBerry here, guys. Throw me some. Good morning, Johnny. Thanks for the stream. Oh, no worries, brother. I love doing this. Yeah, call the hedgies and tell them to pay. I just want to have a look at BlackBerry here, guys. If you guys want any ticker symbols for me to cover this morning, I'm willing to do that. It's the middle of the week right now. We can go look at some stuff if you want. Anything that you're interested in or anything like that. I'm just going to do some things for myself here. I'm just going to look at BlackBerry. A couple things I have my eye on right now. And you guys know if I jump into any plays like that, I will share it with you. Okay? I'm not going to be that guy. I was going to say, like two others. I won't even go on. No bashing this morning, Cameron. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Okay, volume. Yeah, it's always low. Okay. 28 bucks. What was the lowest? The lowest of the lowest. What was the lowest? The high. $6.52. And that was in January. Is that in January? No, that was like December. That's right. Around there. I remember that. I did all right on BlackBerry there. Ow. But I liquidated my position. Well, I didn't have to, but I did. Yeah, I did. I was down quite a bit, and I had about 4 minutes to make my mind up what the heck I was going to do. I had about 5,000, I think, or maybe $6,000 in shares, and I bought them at what did I buy them at? I think it was like 20. Was it 20 or was it 18? I think it was about $18 or something like that. Maybe it was a little bit more. I can't remember, to be honest with you. But then when AMC went up to the $70 and some chump change, BlackBerry kicked too. It had a kick, right? That's why that's a good indicator. I was paying attention to other stocks when AMC went up. There's a bunch of little stock that are a bunch of stocks. Well, they call them meme stocks, but fucking BlackBerry's not a meme stock. BlackBerry's been out forever. But anyways, they get a tailwind. Okay, these things that are compressed, these stocks that are compressed, like Sundial, kicked up a bit too. Nothing crazy, but BlackBerry did. BlackBerry went back up again, but it fucking crashed right away. It went down fast. So yeah, I had a very short time to figure out what I was going to do. Yeah, and it started collapsing fast. So anyways, I didn't get my full amount of money back, right? Which I lost about $300. So it did go up to that amount, but then I was screwing around with the phone, waiting, and then all of a sudden it dropped like $2 to $3, like bam, bam, just like that, and I lost like $400. $300 to $500, I think it was. No, it wasn't $500. It was less than that. So it is what it is. That's when you have to make your decision. And now it's at $9.53, which is a friggin' buy. But I'm just mentioning that, guys. So if you do own BlackBerry up in that price, it will go up there, back up there eventually. The reason why I exited my position is I really like the stock. Like, I like that stock more than, pretty much more than AMC. Okay. It has more financial, it's more, just because AMC is what it is, BlackBerry has more good stuff behind it, in my opinion, right? Just because of their security and all, you guys know what I mean, right? It's almost like a mini Tesla. They have a lot of software and patents like Tesla, and some of it's better, right? So only time will tell. Volvo Group would not have gone partners with them on their unmanned vehicles, right? So they have a central hub, and then they can run. What they're doing up here in Canada is they're running the mines. You know, all the oil patch, those big trucks, those rock trucks, those huge ones. There's a couple divisions around, a couple mines in Canada. They're on a beta program with BlackBerry, and it's all quarantined off, right? There's no people there, right? There's a central hub, and what these trucks just run constantly. They'll go to excavator, a bunch of excavators, load up, right? The excavators are still people. They load the trucks up. They push a button on the thing, tells the GPS, tells the truck, go take off. The truck's all by GPS, by a program, goes and dumps it wherever. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's no people in those trucks. And they want to make it all like that. So eventually, right? So a lot of that truck a lot of stuff is going to be like graders. They're trying to make graders like that too. So BlackBerry's working on that, guys. I know that a lot of you are interested in that stock. It's hard to find this kind of information out. A lot of it is hush hush. And just, it depends on what country you're in, it's hard to get information sometimes, right? But I get all this stuff firsthand, and plus I hear people talking about it and stuff, because it is what it is, right? It's a Canadian stock. So anyways, that's what I wanted to look at here, and it is still, fuck is it? Yeah, anyways. You guys know how I feel. I just know a bunch of, a fair bit of you guys own this. Okay, AMC, put it back on the chart here. AMC's not really doing, it's just kind of doing its own thing here. That's why I'm bouncing around here, guys. So do you guys have any other stocks you want me to cover here? Bitcoin. Someone cashed out $1 billion and we're getting near, right? And they were just gathering money. Wow, that's a lot of money, man. That's a lot of money, David. That's a lot of money. Isn't BlackBerry going to squeeze too? It's going to have a kick up. Yeah, for sure. It's going to have a run. Yeah. Nothing like AMC. I know that a lot of people, I wouldn't say a lot of people, there's a Reddit group, and then there's Discords and stuff like that out there that are just BlackBerry. I know because I've ran into them before, and I actually got kicked off 2 of them. Right? I got in an argument with one of the moderators there, just trying to. They didn't know what they were talking about. Something about the QCX format for the cluster and the dash of the cars. It was recalled anyways. There's some stuff that BlackBerry recalled, some hospital equipment and stuff. The guy said that, oh, it's because it got hacked. No, it didn't get hacked. It could potentially get hacked. BlackBerry's smart enough to go. They don't wait for shit to go sideways. They actually brought it to the attention of the public, and they recalled a bunch of stuff and replaced the software. It's fixed now. Yeah. So anyways, the guy was trying to tell me something he didn't have the correct information on. So yeah, they just kicked me off the channel. And I wasn't even that rude. I was just stating my opinion. Can you pin... Fuck. Yeah, Kim. Yeah. Like I said, I've almost liquidated everything. I'm going to wait. I'm definitely going to buy BlackBerry. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to the fire sale for that shit. For sure. I'm just discussing a little plays like this because there's newer people entering the market all the time. We have our plays. A lot of us have all of our extra money invested into these plays. A lot of us have plays that are open that we've lost money on. And there's more than you think out there that are in that position because all of these stocks collapsed at the same time within a couple days. Yeah, all of them. Like BlackBerry, Naked, Sundial, all those. They went down pretty much almost 100%, if not more on some of them. So yeah, a lot of people have those things on the back burner just waiting, but I've been liquidating them as I go, selling off my shit. Time to get the money. Yeah, guys, no shit. Cam got the foot. What the hell? Got the boot? Yeah. Oh, on the channel. Yeah, I got the boot. Well, because you know, on those channels, they're always like, it's mostly younger. It's the way they talk. You can tell if somebody's our generation or younger, just because of the slang that they use. Yeah, they're like, show me the facts, man. Show me the fact check. So I did. I put an article on there, and yeah, they didn't like that. You changed it. It's modified. I'm like, fuck. Where'd you get it from? I'm like, I don't know, man. I just had it. It was on Google. So, anyways. Okay, what's up, guys? DT. I'm gonna call you number 5, man. DT5, what's up? What's up, man? Yep, that's right. Are you guys loading up? Oh, what did I do here? Sasha, how low do we see this going? We could possibly hit in the low 30s. We're almost there now. I wouldn't really worry about it. There's a couple things that are happening. They're shelving the orders, but they're still doing that. They haven't changed that. And the dark pool. The dark pool's actually backed off quite a bit. Stocko Tracker. One of the guys on my Twitter. Shit, I should have got that list on here for you guys. It actually shows you the percentage per, like, after the day. They tell you how much was put into there. I don't know how the fuck they would even know that. Cam, can you look up? Yes, I can. Somebody else asked me a stock here too, brother. I'm just going to go back up here and then I'll make sure that, I think it was Warren, right? I just want to make sure I cover everybody here. GGPI. I can. Okay, Sanjay, what is that? Is that Gores? GG, is that Gores? Goldgen, Judgen. I can't even spell it. Okay, I will look that up for you. I think that was the only one that Sanjay wanted to pin it on the list. We can do that for you, brother. And what else did... Can you check the options for AMC? I can, brother. I'll write that down just so I don't forget. Remind me in a minute here. I just want to look that one stock up for... Somebody asked me, and then I will get on that for you. I will look that up for you too. If you guys wanted to go, if you have a tablet or a computer or even your phone, if you wanted that, you know, that stocks era that I use, if you guys wanted to go on to that and put AMC in the ticker symbol and pull up that chart on your device, I'm going to be going over there in a bit, and I could go through it with you if you want to learn some stuff and how to use that. Okay, I'm kind of trying to show you guys a little bit more, stuff. Okay. Trying to be more transparent with you guys. So yeah, what I wanted to talk to you about is the volume has gone for shit on the stock, and that along with obviously the dark pool, which it's down quite a bit. They're not putting a lot through the dark pool. So whatever the fucking thing I said was. I don't know how accurate that is, but it's down quite a bit from last month. It's down about 20% what it was. Stocko tracker. But they're still shelving the orders. We already know that. What has happened since... I'm not going to put it on a YouTuber. I'm not going to even mention the name. But they're saying don't buy AMC shares. Well, this is what happens. Okay? Straight up. So if you look at the volume from that video, and I'm not going to put the name out there, you guys know who I'm talking about, or who. There's a couple people that I'm talking about. And that's what happens, man. That's what happens when you got a big following and you get a bunch of people and people talk, man. It's not that big of a community, man. The stock traders isn't that big. Okay. Especially when you have these channels that everybody goes to and then they talk on there and then now it just spreads, right? So it is what it is, guys. Ever since that, the volume has dropped off. Probably about 60 to 70% has depleted since that video was made the next day. Well, it was on a weekend, but when it came to Monday, that's what happened, man. Mr. L, your turn for Cam to ignore you. Oh, am I fucking around with Mr. L here? Am I screwing with Cam? Can you check the options? No, I said I was going to check it. I just wanted to discuss that first. Okay, I will look at the options now. I don't use this stock screener. I use the other one. Stocks are. If you want me to put it up on the chart, I can do that for you, or up on the chat board. I will do that actually. Okay, here's where I'm going. Where is it on there? Just give me a minute. Wow, this computer's slow today. Actually, this thing's probably lagging too. Okay, so I'm on there right now. Here it is right here. Stocks era. I don't have the actual link here for you, but here it is right here. Just type that in, and then it's actually a Python program. It's actually stocks era.pythonanywhere.com. I think that's it. I could copy that for you. It's just a bitch to do on this thing, right? So anyways, the options. Screwing around with that. I just wanted to, if you guys wanted to follow along, you can, and you can See what I'm doing here. Okay, today is the first. It won't be, today won't be on there yet. Oops. Shit. Okay, what's going on here? Options. Okay, guys. You're going to have to give me a couple minutes here, so just bust out the chat board there and just, you guys can talk for a bit on it. I'll be a minute here looking this stuff up here. Okay, strike in, out of money, strike point, put and call options. Okay, we're at, where are we at right now? Oh, and I can put AMC back on here, guys. Okay, we're at $34.39. We're actually up 1.60%. I know it's not much, but like I said, if we can just stay in the red, stay out of the red, then every little bit adds up. 34. Let's see what GME is at. 34.49. Yeah, GME is at 196. 34. Okay, here's 34. What the fuck is going on here? They're not going to let it drop that much lower. No. $30 is the lowest it's going to go. There's 12,716 out of the money options there. In the money. Yeah, so I can't see it going below $30. We're pretty much there right now. Well, still, yeah, I guess we're still 10% away in some jump change. But yeah, I can't see that. This is just, I'm strictly just going for people that don't know what I'm doing, as I'm not on the options chart on Stocks Era. What I do is I'm checking to see the calls, puts and calls in the money and out of the money on the volumes. Okay, I'm checking the volume on it, and whatever I'm finding is where the volume is the strongest, I'm putting a line on there, and I'm building a channel. So this is what I've been doing for the last probably month and a half now, and it's pretty accurate. So because that's where they're making their money, right? They're making their money on this and these other little bullshit plays that they're pumping the shit out of stuff and then collapsing it. So between those two things, they make a lot of money doing it, right? A lot of this shit's in-house with Citadel, right? Citadel is one of the biggest option traders in the world. Okay, so $30. What's the highest? The highest. Ooh, you guys are gonna like this. That can't be right. $34.60. We're at 2%. So that'd be 10% would be another $3.40 would be 10%. So that'd be 8. So that'd be 15% to get to 40 bucks, roughly 15%. Okay. Sorry guys, there's a little bit of math involved in with this shit right here. It's not going to make it up to 40 bucks by the end of the weekend. Okay guys. Oh, sorry about that. That took a little bit of time there. It's just I want to be pretty accurate on it. I just don't want to be just flinging it, because there's a lot of people that count on these numbers from us, right? I don't want to be putting crap out there. and this is just an average, right? It's not, like I said, guys, don't be doing option plays on this, what I'm telling you on these numbers. It's just strictly, it's not financial advice, okay? It's strictly, we're seeing what the channel is. So we'll put our number in here. I should have done this at the beginning of the week, but we had a whole bunch of other stuff on here. We'll do it in the beginning of next week. But we talked about this about 3 weeks ago. It's going to be getting low, okay, this stock. It was about a week ahead of time, okay? I was predicting this down pull, this push down. I call it smothering us, pretty much, in the first week to second week of December, into December, okay? It's the first today, and we're already seeing the 34, okay? So I was thinking about the lowest it would go is about 28, but I've changed my my call on that. That was before. I was just speculating on that. But yeah, I already knew this was going to happen. Be prepared for in the next 2 to 3 weeks for it to go to dip even a little bit more. This week I think we're safe in that channel. I'm going to put the support and resistance line, okay, the lower and upper on here for you guys to look at. But in the next week or two, this thing could have a down pull. Even I know it's shitty, even lower than this, okay? Because you have to look at it from their point of view, okay? They know how to screw with us. They know that a lot of people are in. They can tell by the amount of volume that's going in these stocks. They can tell with options how many people are losing money, okay? They know way more than we do. They can see what synthetics and what aren't, okay? They have way better software than us, okay? They can put their orders directly through. It's just a fucking nightmare, okay? So, yeah, it is what it is. And I just put this information out there to keep you guys, so you're not getting blindsided. You're like, oh, well, Cam already talked about that, or we talked about that on the channel. So you're kind of like a little bit prepared, so you're not getting blindsided on this, okay? The lowest I could see it going down to is about 24 to 26 bucks, okay? And that would be around the Christmas time, about around there. And if it doesn't go that low, hallelujah, okay? But I'm just that's only $10 more. That's only $10 difference. It's not much, okay? So yeah, I'm not trying to scare the shit out of you guys. That doesn't mean anything, okay? The shorts, it doesn't affect the squeeze at all, okay? It just the shorts still have to cover these positions. You guys know how it works, right? So and then after Christmas, it's gonna start going up, right? It's just that there's a whole bunch of contributing factors. There's the tax, the capital gains loss, right? From your having the shares for over a year. They're in the same category as you. Just flip the tables. Everything that comes up to the government with taxes and that bullshit that affects us, it affects them too. But times it by, add a couple more zeros on the end, because they got a lot of money in their portfolios, right? They're probably losing a lot, but I'm just saying that it is what it is. They still pay taxes on their money too. I'm pretty sure they're crooked as hell, and they cover a lot of it up and divert it for over a bunch of years, right? I'm pretty sure they do. They screw around, but that's here and there. That's a different topic. So, yes, there we go. I think 37's the highest this week. We're almost done the week, and it could maybe a couple dollars lower for the rest of the week. I think we're pretty much. So that's that. There you guys go on that. So if you did have the stocks there up, you should have been following. You should have been able to see where I was reading. If you would have hit options, you can look at the chart and see. I just can't show you guys that. Okay. Yeah, they aren't scaring us. No, this doesn't. That's why I don't mind coming on here and talking about this stuff, right? I know that it gets a lot of people worried, especially when they have over like $100,000, and like look at my account. When I show my account and stuff like that, I'm below 100,000 now. Okay, quite a bit below. I think I'm down to like 60 grand or something like that. And there's more than just AMC in there, but I'm taking a harsh kick, right? I'm almost lost almost half my money, and you guys are all in the same category because I know that because of the price, right? It sucks. But I'm just I put this information out there just to ease the pain, okay? And you shouldn't be getting scared or worried about this stuff because it's all frivolous bullshit, okay? You can always say, oh, the numbers aren't real and stuff. Well, they are real. They're in front of us, and they're not the real numbers because off the market. You know what I'm talking about, right? We've talked about that before. But bottom line, these are the real numbers. If you go to sell, this is what they go by. I would not worry about that because we are going to have our day. Okay, guys? It's coming up on a year. Okay? This month would be almost a year. It has to be over a year for a stock to squeeze. Okay? The statistics. It has to. And we need that volume back up, my friends. So yeah, they know we're broke at Christmas time. They know that, right? They know who owns stocks and who doesn't. They even know your fucking addresses and shit like that. Just going back to make sure I didn't miss anything here, guys. Sanjay's not yelling at me, so it's all good. I'm not fucking up that bad. Sanjay's just is asking me. It's quite a ways up to the Cam. You should do a video about not buying and why it's bad. That could be taken two different ways, Sanjay. Do you mean? I'm just gonna because it's a text. Well, it's a text. You can there's no motions and fields behind it, so it can be taken two ways. Do you mean that it is bad, like us not buying right now, or just in general? Okay. So you want me to stand up to the big man there? Pretty much. And it totally affected it. You can see you guys aren't fucking stupid, okay? You're fucking brilliant stock traders, and you guys should be more. Fuck, I wish I was as smart as you, Cam. I'm just a normal guy, okay? I have computer problems all the time. It isn't normal. My, you know what I mean? It is what it is. I learn off of mistakes most of the time, right? Or I see patterns, okay? The only thing that I have an upper edge on is because of my calculating mind, being hyperactive and having a calculating mind, right? Is that I can pick out almost like matrix shit, but not to that degree, right? I can just pick out, that's why when I look at a chart and I'm like, the wave action, I can see you get like the touch points and stuff, and you're like, fuck, how does he do that? It's just practice, guys. It's to do with my work too, right? From welding, reading prints and stuff like that. Yeah, okay, Sanjay. I could make a video. The thing is what was I gonna say? That's right, Jeremy. I like your attitude, bro. I like your attitude. I did not know. Like, I want to be honest with you. When I bought this, I thought it'd be like 3-4 months. When I bought in January, right? That was my not having education. Okay, I had to educate myself on this stock squeeze shit. Okay, I knew about stocks and all that stuff, but like I said, the market has turned. with these these apps coming out and all this shit. It's totally fucked it up, man. It's not good. It'll never go back the way it is. It's going to get worse. Okay. It is what it is. These laws that the SEC and the NCC, whatever the fucking other division is, those laws are like, some of them are almost 100 years old, right? You have to remember, stock trading is, in other countries, is thousands of years old, okay? And I'm serious on that. Google it, right? The Chinese, they used it for a weighing system, right? These candles, the candlesticks and the hollow candles and the ones with the bodies filled in. There's different types. There's like, there's so many out there. But yeah, they used it for, it was one of the very first ways to measure rice and weights and stuff, okay? So it all coincides with that. It's pretty technical, actually. It's pretty cool. But anyways, yeah. So guys, I just wanted to, maybe I will do a video on that. It's going to be me standing up to, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to get a lot of flack on it, though. You guys know that, right? From other people. Warren, you're awesome. Oh, fuck yeah, it affects the squeeze huge, man. It's not good. Like, it's not good, my friend. And I'm not going to get on here and say, guys, start buying. I'm going to start buying. I'm not that guy, okay? You guys know that. If you hear me say buy signal, you guys know what that means, right? On certain stocks. But yeah, I'm gonna do my be putting my my 2 cents in and my energy in on this. I'm gonna purchase some more shares, okay, on AMC, guys. I'll be doing it at open market, and I will be doing it live. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do, how much I'm going to do yet, okay? It won't be that much. Yeah, I know you stand behind me, guys. But, oh, I forgot to mention this, guys. Okay, the channel, if you guys have noticed, you can't comment, okay? If you noticed on the last video or the one before, and then these ones, you can't make comments. Or you comment, and it doesn't hit the wall, it just disappears. I get those comments still, okay? I didn't put them to automatically get deleted. There's 2 options you can do with YouTube. Okay, I took them off there because it just got to the point where it's people are, you guys will put something on there, and I catch it most of the time like within 50 seconds to about 3-4 minutes, and I can delete it. But, oh man, they're calling you guys names on there, the channel, putting the channel down, we know nothing. And it's just fucking kids, man. Young kids that know nothing. I can just tell by the way they're answering and talking. Like, they don't even make sense on 50% of the shit. It doesn't even irrelevant to what like my videos are about, right? So I just want to tell you guys that I did switch it up, and that's not because of you guys, okay? I love having your comments on there, and I love answering it, and it's a good way that we can communicate. So the only way you can do it is on the chat bar now during the days, okay? You can ask me questions on there. I'm willing to answer. I was going to mention this yesterday, but we had a lot we were talking about yesterday. And there's another way, okay? You can email me personally. I'd prefer if you did it on the chat bar, unless it's something personal, then you can email me personally. Just because my email is crazy stuff. Oh, I know. Yeah, sorry, Warren. I thought about that this morning about 4 a.m. I got up, and it's when I'm sleeping. My mind never shuts off. Like I said, calculating mind. I solve a lot of problems in my sleep, especially stuff for the channel and ideas and videos and stuff like that. I'll wake up in the morning and it just pops into my head. I'm going to make a video on this, or I'm going to do this. It's weird. I've had that my whole life, right? It's having insight into your own issues. So yeah, it's not you guys. It's not that you've been blocked or anything like that. No, it's a button that I uncheck for no comments on the channel at all. Okay, a lot of the channels are doing that now, especially on their live streams. Okay, and notice that your guys, the list. There's two things. The list that you guys chat on, as soon as I end the stream, it erases. Okay, because it's your guys' personal information and what you're asking me and stuff. And I don't think it's right. I've seen some people making weird comments and just fucked up shit, man. After the stream's even done, going in there and just comment, it's stupid, man. So anyways, I want to tell you guys that because I'm very transparent with you guys. You guys, it's your channel. Okay. Have you noticed that I'm a very different type of creator, that I'm always asking, what do you guys want? What do you guys want? What do you, okay? It is what it is. Okay. So it's not, you guys aren't getting penalized for it. I just wanted to, I forgot to tell you that the other day. Yeah. So if you want to ask me, you know what to do. It's just getting ridiculous, guys. And if I hear, Sanjay, don't say anything, because I know you little smart ass. If I hear the word FUD anymore and shill, my head's going to explode, okay? That's all I hear. You're a FUD, you're a shill, you're a... Oh, yeah. That's how you can tell what age group it is. Okay, I'm just having a look at our stocks here. Wow. Wow, that's crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy stuff, guys. Fuck. Almost all my stocks are red again. Except AMC. Yeah, everything's down. Oh, no. Sorry, Vision's lithium is up 7%. Sorry, I just talk out loud here. I know a lot of you... Sanjay, you're funny. Oh, fuck, you're awesome. Cam, did you watch the Rico TA video? Who's TA again? Fuck, what is it? I forget. No, I didn't. I've been busy, guys. You guys got... There's a couple things that you're gonna get me to watch and stuff, and I didn't. Oh man, you guys are awesome. I love you guys. I seriously do, man. You guys are a good group of people. So yeah. I had to Google what FUD was. I didn't fucking know what it is, right? And it's so stupid, dude. And chill. Cam, the negative comments will keep us entertained. Yeah, dude, but some of it's degrading, and especially when they start talking about my family and stuff on there. That's the end of it, right? There's some because I have pictures of my family up on some of the videos and stuff, out camping and stuff like that. There was a couple comments about my wife and stuff like that on there. So that was the bottom line, right? That's not cool, man, doing that stuff, man. Not that she ever sees that stuff, but it is what it is, right? Not that I let that stuff get under my skin, but that was a good talk, guys, about that. Yeah, no kidding, Lauren. Yeah, no, that stuff. Cam says not going to squeeze this. Yeah. here, here. You guys know what I'm in this year. The year's almost over, guys. You know that, right? I should actually, because that can be taken two different ways. In 2021, it's not gonna. Okay. I just can't see it. I just can't see it. So, anyways, guys. Oh, hey, Glock, how you doing, brother? How you doing? So yeah, do you guys have any questions at all? You can use the chat board if you have any questions at all, and that. So yeah, sorry, Manji, I didn't watch it, and let them come, Cam. Oh, I got a list of a couple of them, and then I fucking what is it? I forget what I was going to say. Sorry, guys. What do you think about fidelity? Are you asking me? Did you got the job? Yay, Lloyd. Yes, yes. Good for you. Good for you, bro. Good for you, man. I'm proud of you, brother. I am. Brother to brother, I'm proud of you. I didn't even, I think you told us what the job was. Just don't tell us where it is on the channel. I wouldn't recommend that. I'm curious, what is it? What are you doing, bro? I know you're a little bit younger. Maybe it's not what you want a career, but that's good that you're going out and finding stuff. Because I've been through how many jobs since I was your age? 3 different careers, 2 different careers, I think. When I was your age, you're a little bit older then, I guess. I was welding when I was at your age. And then when I was 16, I was a dishwasher and prep cook in a restaurant. Believe that one or not. In an Italian restaurant. Send me the list. I could. When you get somebody, you know how you have to have a channel, but even if you don't have subs in on YouTube, to just to be able to come on here and just comment. When somebody puts a comment, you just do a back reversal reroute on their fucking channel number. Takes you right back and gives you their IP address. YouTube saves all that shit. You can get it if you know what you're doing. Working on a building site at 16. Hi, Gloria. Wow, you got a lot of support here, little buddy. My brother. When you're my age, you better have so many millions that you won't know what to do with, brother. You will. Hanging out with us and some of these plays, if you get into some of these little plays and stuff like that, oh, fuck, you're going to make a killing. Sitting here listening and stuff, man. Oh. A list of the fudders and the shillers. Man, geez, like there's a list going around. I want. I'm just. Just watch what you're. I'll talk to you on Google. I do need to do a Google meet with you and Christopher. I need to. CD, how's it going? How's the sheriff doing? I didn't know you were. I didn't know you were a full patch member, CD. I didn't know that. Sorry, congratulated. I've been just very busy over the last while. I didn't know you were a full patch elite member of the channel. Thank you for the support, brother. You probably have for a while. It's just that I've been so busy, right? You do got to watch. I'll talk to you on Google Meet, and I need to talk to Christopher's. I need your. Okay, you know when you go on, like exactly what I was talking about. You know how you have a channel. You know when you come on YouTube, you have to get a. You have to make a channel link, right? We all have channels. Most of us have no subscribers, right? All good in Florida. Oh yeah, all good in Florida. Good. What this list is about. The list is about the people that are the shills and the fuds. The people that are putting stuff all over the walls and comments. Manjeet. I get a list of IP addresses. But what I was going to say is Sanjay and Christopher, I don't think Christopher's on here anymore. I think he's building a supercomputer. I think he's working on some high-tech shit here, man. So he's going to be able to teleport into Canada and teleport back out. But anyways, I need your guys' channel number. You know, when you're on YouTube, if you go to your actual, where it says your channel, even though you might not have any subs on it, I need that ID number, your URL. Okay, Sanjay? Because there's a place that I can put you in the channel. I found it the other day. I can add you and Christopher in there as moderators. And you actually have control of like a quarter of the channel. You can post stuff on the wall. You can do a lot of things, okay? You just can't get into the security end of it and change videos or podcasts. You can't do any of that stuff. Okay, Lloyd has something. I heard that Fidelity thing too this morning about how the available shares for GameStop went from 2 million to 11 million overnight. I don't understand what you're saying, Lloyd. Like now? Like I don't understand what you're saying, brother. Like the available shares, like shares that you can buy, because you know GME was sold out, is right, same as AMC. You're saying that there's shares available now. Is that what you're saying, my friend? Because if that's true, that's concerning. That's not good. Sorry, I know that messages can be taken different ways. I want full control. I need 25 control as well. Then that means I don't even own the channel. I actually don't even know what he can actually do. It's just basic stuff. But yeah, what I wanted to, I think Lloyd's probably typing right now, trying to. Yeah, Mr. L, he's up to something. That guy's a fucking genius, man. A genius. I know he's probably listening. He probably has like surround sound speakers that tap every time it's voice recognition when you mention his name. The fucking thing turns on. I know he's listening, but it doesn't matter if he's listening or not. Remember when we were on that Google Meet, we were getting echo reverb and it wasn't me this time. Remember there was a bunch of us on there. It took him about 20 minutes. He figured out which computer it was coming from. That's how fucking smart he is. I seen him doing something on his computer, and he had his muted, right? His computer muted because the whole time, unmute your computer, Christopher, unmute your computer. But he had it muted for a reason. He was checking to see where the echo was coming from. It took him about 20 minutes to figure it out because there was a whack of us on there. He actually traced that and found out which mic was reverbing off of it was set up wrong on the tablet or on her laptop. It was feeding reverb feeding back through the system. He figured that out from his house, from thousands of miles away. That's how smart that guy is, man. You don't own the channel now. I know I don't. Cap, what's up? Oh, okay. No, it's okay, Lloyd. I was just asking, what do you mean by that, my friend? What do you mean by that? Like that there's shares available, like as in, like AMC, there's no shares available except synthetics. The actual, the cap, like we own all the shares. You know that, right? The same with GME. So are you saying that there's now shares available in the pot? Is that what you're saying for the market cap? Is that what you're saying? Sorry, I know you have to elaborate on that. No, it was me that took 20 minutes screwing around. Oh yeah, he had it fixed before I came back on. That's right. Mine was set up. Yeah, fuck, I got too many mics. I had the mic on this running and then I have a mic on the camera. It was messing me up hard, man. That's what. Well, that's not good, Lloyd. That's not good. That means that some shares have been returned back to the owners, which means that okay, I'm going to make sure I read this right. And it happened, they said November 29th, 2 million shares available, and now well, that means that they've covered. That's what that means, right? Oh, Fidelity messed up because that doesn't make sense, right? Fidelity messed up. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He does. I know he has a couple of the people in the office have some shares in AMC for sale. I forget how many is it. How many is it? 40 million, isn't it? Something like that, isn't it? So add another 20. So if he says 40, say 60. Okay, good. I'm glad that you straightened that out. Fidelity messed up because that's not good, Lloyd. That's fucked if that's the case, man. That we're in shit. We're in trouble if that's the case. But that's all good. It's still shorted, yeah. It does, Lloyd. It does. Don't worry about it. It's all good, man. Good morning, Brett. Brett, we already went through that on the channel. I made videos on it, podcasts on it, the computer shares. There's some things with the computer shares. We've actually have a couple traders on the chat. Actually, she's not on here. We've actually contacted these places, and I've called my bank and stuff. It's a good thing. Yes, they're real shares, but there's a problem with it. Okay. You better check to see which company are you using for computer shares, because there's lots of them. How long is it going to take? Are you looking for GME or AMC is another thing. If you're looking for AMC, you're looking at, just because we just did it, you're looking at a month to 2 months to fill. Oh, depends on how many shares you have. To fill 1,000 shares, 700 to 1,000 shares is a month to almost 2 months. Okay. A month and a half to 2 months. To get original real shares, because there's nothing available. They have to wait for real shares to be sold so they can buy them, right? And give them to you. I was going to do it, right? Because we have a little bit, this was like a while ago. We had time to do it. But the problem is, there's a problem, okay? It never used to be a problem. It was only like a 3 days to maybe a week and a bit to get computer shares, which it was a fucking big difference because there were shares available. And this was probably like 4 or 5 months ago, right? But now, since I've called, I called just a while ago, and it's probably even worse now. The problem is if this thing squeezes, okay? Seriously, fact check on this. We've already done that. We've already got the information. We got it from 2 different computer share companies, and I went to my bank and called my bank in 2 different countries, the States and Canada. We both did it on. So if you go apply as Fidelity does computer share, they don't really, okay? A computer share company does computer shares. That's all they do, okay? When the bank says, oh, we can do computer shares, we do computer shares. No, they don't, okay? They are a bank, okay? Same as with stocks. When you I buy stocks through my bank sells stocks. No, they don't. No bank sells stocks. The brokers that the third party through the bank does, okay? The bank can technically say, yes, we do have trader accounts. We do, it's through TD Waterhouse, right? We do have trade, we do sell stocks and all that, and it comes up as sold by, it's actually a broker that is inundated with the company. Like Fidelity, they have their own brokers. Okay, I know a lot about this stuff. I didn't before. I had to educate myself on it. Okay, so the gist of the story is if this thing goes, say if it takes a month and a half, whatever. Let's just hypothetically say January this fucking thing squeezes, okay? Or just be at the end of the year, okay? January 1st or whatever. Let's just hypothetically, I'm not putting that date out there, okay? I have no information to back that up. We're just stating a point. If this thing squeezes, well, you are in circulation or your order is not filled, okay? If you put an order in for 1,000, okay, you can't fulfill that until the last share is bought and it's completed at 1,000, okay? So it's better, it's more money this way, but it's better to buy it and say like, it depends on how many shares you own. I own 1,000, which I don't care about sharing that stuff. If I was to buy, say, 300, a lot of 100, 300, 500, and another 300, whatever, 200, which equals close to 1,000 or whatever, right? If I bought those on all different lots, they might be filled faster. And the other thing is with it, you're going to pay more money, okay, because it goes per order that you put through. The other thing is it'll take less time to fill that order. If I ask for 1,000 shares, that's why it's taking a month and a half to 2 months, okay? So if it squeezes, you're fucked. You are fucked, okay? Straight up. I don't care what anybody says. It's the truth, okay? I've gotten emails from them, and it is what it is. If there's any other information, we've had stuff on Reddit, conflicting information. This is the factual truth. And if the bank says otherwise, you better call the computer share company, not the bank. Even if they say they do computer shares, they don't, okay? They can do them for you and make a commission off it to hook you up with the computer share company. But what you do is ask the bank manager, when you call, or in the traders division or whatever, the bank or Fidelity, you ask the company and the number of the computer share company, and they'll give it to you. Okay, so it's just a different division. I know a lot about this shit. I had to find this stuff out for you guys. The other thing is, when you sell, it does take up to a couple weeks, maybe even longer. It could even be 3 days to get your money. Who gives a shit about that? Okay, that I don't care if it took me 2 months to get paid, because you're going to get paid. It's just that, you know, when you're in the bank and you sell your shares, and it sometimes takes a day or two to get the ticket. You get an email saying that the order's been executed and you've sold your order back to the market and you paid this amount and this amount. Okay, it's because the bank isn't a broker. It has to go through a broker, okay? So that's why there's a little bit of a lag there. It's not much sometimes, right? But that's not the concerning part, because you do get what your price is you sell it instantly, okay? You just got to use the computer share platform when you sell. Don't use like a fucking Fidelity's, okay? When you're, and the computer share one, if you're, use the computer share stock screener, okay? And you're going to have to anyways, because it's linked to your number, and those are legit shares. Nobody can touch them. They're encrypted, okay? They can't even touch them. You have a password to get into there. And if you forget the password, you're kind of fucked, okay? So there's ways to get it, but it's really hard, okay? You have to write a letter to them. It's really serious shit, man. And you can't synthetic them. They're the real shares, okay? Straight up. So I'm just giving you guys a couple of different avenues that I've asked questions about that. So the main concern is with me, why I didn't do it, is because of the time frame. Okay? I don't care about the money, okay? It come close to, I think it was for 1,000 shares. I think it was $200 or $300 to get computer shares, okay? You have to remember, I'm Canadian. It's because it's the prices are always higher up here, and our taxes are higher. Okay, so it is what it is on that. Just be very careful, guys, on that stuff. The computer share thing. Yes, it's a good thing. I support it 100%, but you just got to know that information. Okay, if it's in transition, even if it's in transition and you don't have your order filled, and it squeezes and you go to sell, you cannot sell, okay? I'm 100% right on that, okay? Don't let anybody tell you different. Don't even let the bank tell you different, because I've called the places, the computer share companies. I have emails saying that, okay? I just don't want you guys to be misled by somebody else. Even my bank doesn't even know what the fuck they're talking about, okay? I had to go over their head to get a hold of it. I had to go to Computer Shares Canada. And then there's one, a couple people did, I think, Glock. Okay, so that's the gist on that, guys. I just wanted to tell you guys that. But yeah, you will own real shares, though. Sorry, that was a long explanation, guys. Sorry about that. It's just I had to be very thorough on that. Okay. Oh yeah, Manji. Yeah, the Fidelity has that option. I think it's in your settings. Does somebody want to help her out there, guys? If you have Fidelity, and you guys should all be doing that. You should be checking that box off for not lending your shares out third party. Because if you don't tell them, they will. Okay, it's on a default. Fact check. Okay, Lou. Fact check. That's old. That's street talk, my friend. That's been out for a long time. That's right, Jay. Yeah. Record it. Yeah. Sean, welcome to the channel, brother. Soprano, Sean Soprano. Welcome, brother. Did you guys have any questions on that computer share stuff at all? I forgot to ask you guys that. Lending them out, Lloyd, to a third party means that they're reselling your shares. So, for instance, if you cash your shares in, okay, if you cash their shares in, they gotta give you money for them, right? Well, there is no shares available. So what they do is borrow shares out of the bank or the broker. They have okay, we'll take so and so's shares. We'll just replace it when he wants to sell. That's what it is. Brett, they won't tell you that. They're going to say, yeah, we don't deal with fraudulent shares. If there's no place on the planet, no bank, nobody will say that. My bank gave me a hint, TD. They'll most likely say, hey, we don't deal in synthetics, and synthetics are illegal in the States or Canada or whatever. They're highly illegal. They'll say something like that. The first person that's why they're still selling synthetics, is because if one person stops selling them, the spotlight's on them. If they say, well, we're not selling anymore because they're just synthetics left. Well, hypothetically, if the TD Bank said that, hey, we're going to stop selling shares here because they're not real shares, they're synthetics, the fucking news would be on them. Well, what do you mean you're selling? Well, how many other synthetics do you have in there? Can you prove that you have real shares? It would open a can of worms. Nobody even wants to admit that right now. That's why they keep on selling. It's crazy, man. It's so entwound right now. It's so fucked up that everybody's scared shitless. That is enough money to totally bankrupt a half a country, okay, with these synthetic shares and shit. So yeah, what they will do is they'll give you some kind of thing like that. The only way to find out if you have real shares, like I thought I owned real shares because of January. No. That doesn't mean anything. If you bought shares in January, February, March, okay, they said that everything else from that is most likely synthetics. Most likely, is not true. Okay, they're all synthetics as far as I'm concerned. Because when I called the bank, they can't prove that they are, right? And the other thing is we can't see what are real shares and what are synthetics. Okay, the banks can't either. Okay, the brokers can. Okay, the institutions can. Okay, the hedge funds can. So the institutions, these big fucking institutions, own a lot of shares, okay? They don't own synthetics. I can guarantee it, okay? So they've gone through and picked out of all the real shares, all the institutions and all the hedge funds, because some of them do own shares, right? Some of them are betting against, are on our side betting with us too, and shorting it. Depends on what hedge, not all the hedge funds are against AMC like that, okay? There's so many fucking hedge funds companies out there. Some of them are actually betting against other hedge funds, okay, guys? So they can see what real and what are not shares. So that's why, that's what will cause the short squeeze, right? Sanjay, don't say anything, is because they have to have real shares. They can't have synthetics to pay back these other people that they've hedged. They could be hedged 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Eventually, when those prices get up high, those owners are going to want those shares back. Okay, they're going to want them returned. They're going to want them, the fucking hedge. They want the fucking executed that order. I want my shares back. Those hedge funds got to return those shares. Okay, there is no shares available, right? So what they got to do, and they can't give synthetics back to those guys because it doesn't work like that. It has to be a real share. That's what causes a short squeeze, is that we are holding, or the institutions are holding, shares, right? We're not selling them. So there's none available. Or else they could just go, listen to this, they could just go and buy them, right? They could just go to Fidelity and call up Fidelity and say, I want fucking 10 million shares at $34. Well, it's better than at buying them at this price, and just shelve them and put them somewhere. It doesn't work like that, okay? Because the real shares are already bought, and that's the whole idea of a short squeeze. The synthetics has nothing to do with it, okay? The synthetics just makes it more lucrative for us, okay? And it is what it is. It is what it is, okay? So there's the gist. I've been following this for a long time. A lot of this stuff I don't make videos on. I probably will now that I took the comment box off. Is just because there's just so many people that just think they know it all, and it's just with banging heads. And there's so many people that just, the questions and not the questions I get asked or told, not asked, are just so, some of them are just so far out there that you can tell these people have never traded in their life. They know nothing about how the system works. I'm not saying all of them, right? There's a lot of smart people out there. I'm not saying I know it all, okay, at all. I'm very educated in this area, or else I wouldn't be doing this, okay? So that is 100% true, okay, on those synthetics and the real ones, okay? Yeah. So that's why it is what it is, right? That's why we're having a short squeeze. And look at this juicy candlestick that we're having right now. So yeah, guys, if you've never heard that, I made videos on the little bits of it, but there's the whole kit and caboodle for you guys, okay? So the whole thing's fucked, okay, guys? The whole thing's just totally screwed. It is what it is. Just make sure that you record. You have your screen recorders, your voice recorder, and your camera. That app, YZ, was it YZ, guys? YZ screen recorder for Android, and then Apple has their own, iPhone has their own screen recorder. You want to do the voice recognition thing too, right? And it records you when you push on the keypad, when you're trying to do your selling and stuff. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to say you have to do it, but if you don't do that and you have issues with your shares and shit, man, you're just fucking yourself, okay? Even if they're like, oh, well, I have a thing from the bank saying I own those shares. It's not the same thing, okay? It's not the same thing, especially when you're selling them. It doesn't work like that. Okay, guys, I just wanted to, I know it's a little bit of it's like, holy fuck, man, he's way out there, fucking, he's just paranoid. No, I'm just covering, I got to be like that for you guys, right? I got to cover every aspect of it. But I do look into this shit and do DDs on it, okay? And a lot of you guys help me do it too. So it is what it is with that stuff. And just by not recording it or being lazy and not doing that, you could potentially cost yourself the squeeze. Okay? I'm just telling you that. Just because of these synthetics out there. You got to hold... If it goes to court because of these synthetics and they want to return these shares back to you, whatever you bought these shares at, I bought mine at $14 and $8, okay, and some chump change, okay? Majority of them, and $40. If this thing hypothetically goes into the thousands and thousands and thousands, I cash out, okay? I cash out, and it says all this amount in there. If they come out and say, whoa, there's fraudulent shares where the whole market is under investigation now, and then it's gonna take fucking 3 years for a class action lawsuit. You're gonna have to sue fucking these you're gonna have to sue your bank or Fidelity and then the government. Okay, there'll be class action lawsuits. Canada will have one, the UK will have one, we'll all have one, okay? It's an insurance. It's insured by the insurance company, okay? Like any insurance company, they take 3 estimates, divide it by 3, and that's what you get, okay? They don't pay you what it's worth. It never happens like that. Look at your car if you smash a car. This is real factual information, okay? So the only reason why I'm telling you guys this is just all it is a screen recorder, and you can wash all this away and you don't have to worry about any of this shit, because if you go to court, you have this for court. This is like fucking, it's a slam dunk, okay? There's no wiggle room for them. Okay, guys? That's all. I put a lot of time and thought into this for you guys and that, and it is what it is, right? And the good thing of too, well, for me, is I'm going to be selling live. All my stuff is recorded, okay, on there. So that helps to some degree, but I'll still have my screen recorder on there too with voice recognition. That's why I called my broker up. It's all recorded. I have that recording on my phone still. Well, actually it's on a cloud now, but of me phoning up and saying, hey, are these do I own these shares? I got them to repeat back. Well, what was the date I was bought in? They repeated. That's all voice recognition. Okay, well, what's your broker number? What's your institution number for the bank or whatever? They give it to you. Oh, what's your employee number? Okay, so if that does go to court, they ask for that employee number. You have voice recognition. You have the fucking thing on your phone. A lot of this stuff's voice recognition anyway when you call the bank and your phone company. If you notice that in the last 6 months, they're asking people to enroll in this shit. My credit card companies are all like that now. I just talk on the phone. Oh, voice recognition recognized. You don't even have to put a password in now. Okay. So anyways, that's the gist on that, my friends. Yeah. And if you need to do anything else on that, I can help you on that. No, they don't, Jerry. No, they don't. No, they don't, unless they get a junction on them. They'd have to get a federal court judge to do an investigation indictment on them, and yes, they can. They're probably, most of the hedge funds that are in on this stocks are probably already under investigation for fucking market manipulation, fraud, fucking a whole bunch of shit, okay? Almost guarantee, okay? Because these aren't the only plays that they're into, right? A lot of them are caught up into these fucking coins. These coins are all going to be delisted, and a lot of them are not traceable and shit, and people are scamming people. You see how that on the SEC, on their website, the whistleblower line thing that they're really pumping money into right now, they're nailing a lot of people on that, okay? A lot of them are hedge funds or fake hedge funds and stuff. Well, the hedge funds are connected to hedge funds and hedge funds and hedge funds, okay? Just like it's like a pile of shit. Put it that way, right? It's a pile of steaming shit, the hedge funds, okay? And they just, they all are all connected. They're interwound, right? They do deals with each other, and it's some of them don't like each other, some of them do. That's why you'll see these pumps, and the institutions are friends with them too. The institutions will help. They'll purposely short shit to make money to run companies under the ground so institutions can buy it. It's a big fuckery, man. It's so in depth that I can't talk about a lot of it on here. It's kind of illegal as of YouTube's shit. And I'm not saying that, thanks, Headstock. I'm not saying that it will go to court. I'm saying, why would you not, over just a screen recording when you do your selling, a simple thing like that, when the app's free, to save your ass. You've been waiting this long for the money, okay? That's just putting icing on the cake. That's all I'm trying to say, guys. I'm not trying to fearmonger you guys and all that stuff, right? It is what it is. I know the law is pretty good when it comes to that shit. I know they're a little bit different between Canada and the States. I should go do my bar's license, man. I was right, see? Brett, I called that before you even got told that. I told you what they were going to say. Isn't that fucking crazy, dude? Fidelity said all my shares are real and they are held at Fidelity. Okay? If that's the case, Brett, you want all the numbers on the shares that match up to AMC. Call them back and ask them that. I want all my registration numbers then, so I can cross-check them. They won't have them. They won't be able to give them to you. And they'll say, well, we can't do that because of our policy and all that stuff. Well, I legally own those shares. I want them. I don't believe you guys. I would actually go on there and tell them I'm going to sue the fuck out of you if you don't give them to me. Call them back, bro. Call them back. Try getting those numbers. They're all registered. Every share is registered if it's real. Tell them that you want them because you're doing cross-reference check with. Because if you have those shares numbers, you can call up AMC. They have an office that deals with this. It's a division, okay, of AMC, not the fucking movie theater thing. It's the finance division of it. Okay, they deal with all the shares. There's a section that deals with the stock market stuff, right? You can get a hold of them, and you can, for free, you can run those numbers, and they have to look those up for you and tell you if they're legit or not because of fraud. Okay, and they'll be happy to do that. It might take you a couple days to get the answer, so yeah, do that. This is how I caught them lying. My TD, and yeah. All of them. That's how I caught them lying. So, it is what it is. It sucks ass, guys. And me even saying this shit and talking like this, I sound like a fucking wingnut. I know that, okay? Trust me, it's that far-fetched, this shit, that it's just like not fucking, it doesn't even fucking sound real, okay? But it is, okay? It's fucked up. Hey, Brett, we've already gone through this on the channel. I know you're kind of a little bit new on the channel, which is awesome. I'm glad that you're very intuitive into your stocks and stuff like that, and you're asking questions. I'm not giving a shit or anything. I'm glad that you're bringing this up again because it refreshes all the new traders, and Lloyd has a chance to learn some stuff on here. It's actually really good. I want him to learn this stuff and to be a little bit more educated on this stuff because he's younger. And just at his age, if he knows this stuff, it'll make psychologically, it'll make a difference for his future trading and stuff, and for anybody. Okay. So yeah, isn't that weird how I knew exactly what they were going to say before you even told me? Isn't that crazy? But yeah, all you need to do is just call them back. I know he's a bitch to get a hold of them sometimes. Call them back. It would be nice if you could call them back while we're still on the chat here. I'll stay on the chat for another 20 minutes just to get an answer here. And I already know the answer. We can't do that because it's against policy. It's not against policy, okay? Those are your shares. You paid for them. You legitly own them. That's like saying you own your vehicle in the parking lot, okay? The bank, the vehicle, the VIN number. The bank won't give you the VIN number on the vehicle, right? They took the VIN number off the vehicle. And they're saying, oh, your vehicle's legit. Well, maybe it's stolen. I need the VIN number to cross-check it. Same thing, right? Oh, we can't do that. It's against policy. Well, it doesn't make... It's bullshit, okay? So, anyways, enough of that. I just wanted to tell you... And, hey, good question, my friend. Now tell them about... I'm learning too, my brother. I'm... Tell them about the squeeze. I did, Sanjay. I already did today. You did miss it. Chris, how you doing, brother? So yeah, it's AZ screen recorder. I'm gonna put that on here. I'm just gonna put it on here. I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna pin it for Android. And please go and use it and record some phone calls or something beforehand. Okay, call your wife's phone or your friend's phone and record it. Try to get the video feed to test it all out. Make sure the settings are set up. Don't do it on the day of the squeeze, guys. Okay, make sure it's in the file that it's saved to. Don't save it to the internal memory on the phone. Put it on the cloud. Do it on both. Okay, save it to your SIM card. Don't just put it on the phone memory of the phone. You know how you can do that, and you can put it on the internal memory, or you can put it on the your SD card. Or you can SD card it and cloud it. That's what I would do. Don't trust. I just had a phone pack in the S9 phone blow up. My wife's just blew up the other night. And not that I would have any information on there because I'm smarter than that. But if you have that on there, that recording on there, and you're waiting to go to court, because court takes a couple of years usually, or you need that information, it's gone. It's like a kick in the balls, okay? It would suck totally, and you can't just get that information off there if the phone's kaput. There's ways to do it, but sometimes you can't, okay? Especially if there's a software problem on there, right? So anyways, you want me to really do this, Sanjay? Okay, Android AZ screen recorder. It does voice recognition on there, guys. It doesn't say it does, but it does, okay? When it records your voice, it's doing it in a voice recognition. Chris, great. Would be nice, better if this would take up. Chris, fuck. Oh, buddy. Yeah, like, I know, like, you guys have been in since the beginning too, man. I feel like banging my head on this fucking thing. Yeah, we have Christopher. Yeah, true. Okay, there's screen recorder, AZ screen recorder. Okay. And iPhone, and it works on your tablet and everything, okay? I think I spelled the record, I spelled recorder wrong. Oh, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. So, that's for Android. And for your iPhone or any Apple products, there's a built-in one on the phone. Okay, and you would have to talk to Manjeet if she's still on here. Or somebody. I don't know anything about Apple products. I don't have any of them. There's a reason why. So there you guys go. There you guys go. And that's free. That's a screen for it. Everything I do is I try to do it for no money. Okay, if there's a way to find it, I will find that for you guys. It is what it is. And when you guys are selling your shares, I want to add this to it. Don't use a stock screener, say like Yahoo Finance, and then but your shares are with TD Amtrade or TD Canada. Okay, use the prices that are in your broker. Okay, don't use another screen. Some of them are 15-minute delay, and even though they say they're not, some of them are on a delay. Okay, it's fucked. Okay, you got Apple. There's a screen recorder in there, Lloyd. You should know. Do you know where it is? It's in your set. It's somewhere on there. I know it is for sure. It's a screen recorder and voice. And when you push the screen, like when you push the keypad, it actually records that shit too, right? It records your face, your everything. It's really neat. And in good quality. And it's encrypted too. I got banana. And orange. Oh, headstock. That'd be beautiful. That'd be beautiful. Lloyd, do you own any stocks though? Because if you don't own any stocks, I wouldn't worry about that screen recorder thing, buddy. That's just for these big stock, like these ones that are having issues with synthetic. Okay. Holy shit, ISPC is down 6.2. Holy crap. 6.28. Wow. Fucking predicted that shit. That's why I said put on the brakes this morning when I said don't buy into that. When I halted. You own 41 now? Oh, you do, bro? Oh, fuck. Okay, I would do that then. Yeah, I would look for that. And I would test it out. I know you guys think I'm all paranoid, but I'm a good guy to have on your side, man. Oh, and another thing, too. If you are on the channel, and this is squeezing because we're going to be live the whole time. If it does happen to go, worst case scenario, if it has to go to court, you guys, I will lend you a copy of the chat bar and the stock prices. This is all recorded live, okay, on real time. Okay, I know there's a bit of a lag, but it's not on this end. It's on your guys' end. So it actually records the time and everything on it. So that is actually awesome for court too. Those are yeah. So it is what it is. This is all time stamped. So I got you guys covered. Rico thinks 300 by Christmas. More like $28. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, man. Oh yeah, Eureka. I know who you're talking about now. And a burrito. Android and a burrito. Yeah, I don't. I hope it goes up, guys. For Christmas, but yeah. You guys already know where my position is on that, right? Right, and that's at $33. That was a prediction too. I predicted that, but I was a week and a half off on that. I got that song stuck in my head. But I hope it does. We'll have a backup recording, Headstock. Besides YouTube, for like when I do my stocks, when I'm selling my own stocks, yeah, I'll be using A to Z screen recorder, that stuff, right? Plus, We have our VIP room going too. But you're talking if YouTube goes down? If YouTube goes down, yeah, we have what's it called? Fuck, I can't think of it now. You guys want to help me out? I can't think of it. Oh, Jay, I'm not being I'm just you fud. I'm not being negative. You know, guys, I want this to squeeze more than anything. I'm fucking 100% positive in this, guys. 100%. I want this to fucking squeeze tomorrow, man. Right? All I'm doing is just, I don't like to be disappointed. Okay? When things are the way that I think they're going to be or a little bit off, it's way better than being totally disappointed. You guys should relate to that. Oh, you mean live stream? Yeah, what the fuck is that called? I can't think of it. I went brain dead. We do have another channel. No, not Twitch. It's another. It's like YouTube. Guys, what's that called? Where's the other channel? I could look it up. It's like YouTube. Shit, I can't think of it. Jay, you'll be gonna strike down. No shit. No, guys, I'm totally positive on it. Yeah, thank you, Heads. I just don't want you guys to. We have been fucked over, and I'm not gonna say pardon my language because we've been lied to, manipulated, stole from. Okay, everything's deceitful. Okay, dishonest. Okay, a false illusion. It's like we have this carrot in front of our fucking, well, for me, it would be a Twinkie in front of on the stick. And every time I go to reach for it, they fucking beat the shit out of me with the stick, right? No, not Sanjay, not Google Meet. We'll have that running, but, oh, fuck, I can't think of the stupid fucking thing. It's like YouTube. It's another platform. Christopher. It's like you, I'm trying to figure it out. Christopher knows what it's called. And it's under CS Trades 101. Rumble. That's it. Thank you. You did it. You nailed it. I want to see your receipts to back up your claims. Yes, that's it. Rumble. Gloria nailed it. Yes, we have a Rumble account. You just go on there right away if this crashes. You go on to Rumble and it's CS Trades 101. And that's it. Just type that in there and we'll pop up. We have like 3 videos on there. I don't even run videos on there right now. It's our backup channel. It's all ready to go. And then we also have another backup channel on YouTube too. It's called YouTube CS Trades 101 Live. It's a totally different channel. It's a whole different part of YouTube too. In case this channel gets taken down. Because we do talk about some crazy shit on here. Oh, guaranteed. I know it's a smaller channel, but guaranteed they. No, Jay. I know you're messing with me, brother. I know you don't have to apologize, man. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. So. But yeah, what I'm just saying. No, when I went off about being lied to, I'm not talking with you guys. I'm talking about other YouTubers, right? I'm talking about fucking Facebook. I'm talking about fucking a whole bunch of shit, just constantly. I'm not putting it on the other YouTuber. I'm just saying in general, like saying this thing's going to $2 million, just all the bullshit. Okay. There's a very small percentage that is actually fucking realistic. Okay. That actually has the followers' best interest. Okay. I think there's only like 2-3 channels out there that actually will sit down with their subs like I do and talk like this and work this stuff out. Name another channel, really, that talks about computers into this depth, computer shares, screen recording stuff if it goes side, synthetic shares. Who calls up these institutions and fucking blast them? I do. Okay? Who's wrote letters to the SEC about dark pool? I have. Okay? Who has wrote letters about what was the other one? synthetic shares, ghost shares, naked shares. Me, SEC. SEC. Sorry, there's not two C's on there. I wrote letters for the channel. Okay. Who has wrote an AA about doing a share count and exposing or doing a dividend way before fucking any of this shit was talked about? Me. I did. Okay. To do a dividend. And it's funny because AMC actually has a dividend. Okay. It's like fucking 4%. It's 4 cents. But it's not registered. It's sitting there. It's dormant. They've had it in the past, I think, and it's still on the. I could show you guys actually, but yeah, I've done those letters and stuff like that. With Adam Aaron, no, I haven't got a reply back. I didn't get an acknowledgement saying that it was received by what was it, fucking HR or whatever, the complaints line. That's what it is. And that's it. Never heard anything back. I see the Rumble videos. Okay, yeah, there's only a couple on there. I just got a couple. I was going to start putting them all on there in case YouTube takes it down. You know how you lose all your videos and all your content? And cool, go up the chat bar. Yeah. Go ahead. Yes. Is it you, Proud? Should I sell on... Okay, here we go. Not a problem. Thank you. Should I sell on E-Trade app or website like when I buy? I never got the E-Trade app. Not sure which one to get. Whatever you buy on and you sell on, that's what you want. Okay? And make sure it's on the real time. Like, you can always call them. I would get this stuff worked out. I'd be calling around, and if you need to, like with TD, they don't actually have a fucking stock screener. Okay, like this. In the States, they probably do, but not up in Canada. Not that I know of. But my prices are on my app. Okay, but the problem with that is if I'm screwing around on there for like 5 minutes, and I have it on, an order won't be executed for sale, right? Trying to sell a lot, the lot's too big. They're saying it gets returned to me, return to sender. I got to dumb it down a bit, like only sell like 100 instead of like 1,000 at once. You know what I'm saying? I'm just doing it hypothetically. I've had that issues before. I've tried to sell 8,000 shares before, not of AMC, but like of lithium shares and shit like that. I've gotten a return to me. We can't do that. Nobody will buy them at that amount. You have to, yeah, it's the whole thing's fucked. So, but you can buy them at that. You just pay a couple % more. You're bid and buy and bid. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's what I would do. Proud. Does that help you at all? I don't have the link for Rumble. But you found it though? So it's there still. Okay, good. Proud, is that what you were asking? Was that? Yeah, because I don't have the link for it. It's in one of the videos in archives. If you go into the channel there, I don't even know which. I think it is our second channel. I think it's called. I just can't do it right now, guys, because we'll have that reverb fucking feedback shit going on. Yeah, that's exactly what. Spreading FUD. Yeah, no shit. Fuck. Oh, Cam changed it. Jerry changed this. Cam change of subject. Yeah, not a problem, buddy. Do you see big doors up in Canada? Big doors? What big door? Do I see big doors up in Canada? I don't understand. I don't understand what you're asking, Jerry. Bigfoot. They have Sasquatch. Okay, guys, I'm glad it's still there for you guys. So yeah, that's just it is what it is, right? So yeah, I got you guys covered as much as I can, right? I'm just one person here. Oh man. Okay. Oops. Oh, the screen just bouncing here. Back into the red again, guys. Well, that's kind of shitty. That's not supposed to be like that. So, guys, I'm gonna give you about 5 to 8 minutes here. Did you have any questions at all? I'm gonna jump off here in a bit. Not right now. I always tell you guys before I'm gonna wrap. So, I'm the man. You're the man, Cam. Oh, thanks, brother. I try. I'm just a normal person that has respect for you guys, right? Like, as you know, I don't need to do any of this stuff. Yes, stair stepping. Yes, there is. Bigfoot, buddy. Bigfoot. No, Bigfoot. No, no, they don't have Bigfoot up here. But what they call I think you're talking about Bigfoot. The fucking it's like an big giant person with hair on it. Yeah, you Bigfoot. Is that what you're talking about? The myth or whatever. That's actually from the natives. And what they call it, if that's what you're talking about. Is Shamron here? Oh, Shamron. Hey, how's it going? How's it going, brother? I didn't see you there. How you doing today, buddy? So what they call it here is they call it what the hell is it? There's a native name for it. I'll think of it. I can't think of it. Should I go back and watch this stream? For what? Proud? Did I answer your question? Sorry. This weekend? We could do that. Sasquatch. That's it. Big Sasquatch. The abominable snowman. The Sasquatch, there's a pub and there's an area in the mountains 30 kilometers from here. It's called, you can Google it. It's called Harrison Hot Springs. Okay? And the Sasquatch Inn, they actually have Sasquatches on the side of the road. Big signs with the Sasquatch on it. And they call it the pub is called the Sasquatch Inn. Seriously, I'm dead serious. The natives believe it. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff. They sell little figures and stuff. Fucking, there's a whole bunch of shit on it, man. There's books on it even. Just fucking look it up. Look it on Tinder or whatever, Amazon Prime book thing or whatever. Did you miss anything? Did I miss anything? Fell asleep and missed the stream? Oh, it's okay. We just covered computer share stuff a bit. The screen recording stuff, which you were here for. Nothing really. We talked about a lot of little things. More of me just talking about stuff and then having to break it down. which I talk for a long time when I talk to this stuff. So everybody understands it, right? That's all. Yeah, the stocks have pretty much. I'm down like $7,000 today on all my stocks, like everything combined. That's what happens when you got 3% here, 5% there. It is what it is. Am I worried? Nah, fuck no. It'll go back up tomorrow or the next day. It is what it is. Fucking Suncor's up 2.54%. What? Okay, that's weird. Yeah, I think we got, that's all of it. Sanjay, you coming on the Bigfoot hunt? I'm going laugh out loud, the Bigfoot hunt. Yeah, dude, Google it, man. Check it out. Just say British Columbia, Canada. Okay, British Columbia, Canada. Well, Bigfoot won't come up. That won't come up, but Sasquatch will. And it'll go right into the native mythology part of it. It's kind of crazy. Wolfpack hunting Bigfoot. You're in the UK, right? Yeah, he is in the UK. I know. I wish he lived closer. I know. I wonder how much it costs. I'm gonna Google that. How much it costs to fly to the UK? I wonder how much it is. It's probably the same price as flying across Canada. Going from the west coast to the east coast is fucking like almost $2,000, man, for a round trip. It's fucking expensive. Up only $40 so far today. Yeah, it goes up and down, my friend. Can't win it all. Can't win it all. We go to Cam's. He'll take us camping. Yeah. Fuck yeah, I'll take you guys. Dude, I got you guys see my RV. I got a 27-foot Jayco travel trailer with a fucking huge slide out in it, man. Beer fridge outside. It's all fucking, the whole trailer, like, it's all blue LED lights under. It's dope, man. Yeah, it's fucking, it's cool, dude. You can sleep like 10, I think it is. 8, I think it can. Yes, Shamron, we did. Yeah, we did. We touched down on it, yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm fucking taking out guys out camping. I got a quad, all that stuff. Oh, we'd have a blast. We could all load in my truck, take a couple trucks, and take you guys up in the Alpine, man. Take you guys up gold panning in the real gold country. Google it. Get a camp. Campers are awesome. Then you don't have to worry about turning shit around. The reason why I didn't get you're down 300. That sucks, buddy. That sucks, bro. That sucks. Oh shit! I gotta do. Fuck yeah! I gotta do a Google chat. Yeah. Oh shit! Okay, guys. I'm going to let you guys go. Okay, I'll make sure I answer. Cam, are you on Facebook? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. But I won't tell you my real name on here. I'm just joking. Yeah, I am. Send me an email with your Facebook stuff because I don't want that. I won't share that information on here. But if you guys want, I can share it. I can share it privately. Not a problem. Not a problem. I'm never hardly on there, but like I told you guys, I have a big stock. I have a big. You know how they have groups on there. I have a group with like almost 6,000 members in it for stocks. Oh, it's huge. It's growing like fuck it. Yeah, it's crazy. It grows every day like nuts. Yeah, okay, guys, I'm out of here, guys. You guys take it easy, and thanks for joining me here today. And we'll rip her up again tomorrow. I know we're a little bit off topic today. Market's pretty much stagnant. Nothing really happened. I just wanted to enlighten you guys on some situations. I'm glad that you guys asked those questions. I don't mind asking that or answering that stuff. I just wish more of these channels would be more in tune with their subs like this. I'm just very worried. I know I shouldn't be worried about other people in the market, but I am. People that I don't even know. That's the personality of me. But I'm glad that you guys have that rapport with the people in the chat bar and talk together and stuff like that. I know I've had some comments on the whole. I don't need anybody. I can do those myself. Fucking stupid channel, you guys. They're seeing past it. They're not thinking outside the box. It's good to have this support. Okay. Anyways, take it easy, guys. Peace. See you tomorrow.